Generations of expertise and collaboration. A cohesive blend of stability and innovation. Guided by a responsible use of our natural resources. ISO 14001 certified since 2001. And the first and only U.S. iron casting supplier to achieve ISO 50001 certification. We are Waupaca Foundry. With recycling and environmental commitments in effect since the 1980s, we continue to find effective ways to preserve our planet, leading the way to carbon neutrality by reducing greenhouse gas emissions, repurposing spent foundry sand, and eliminating water consumption. We're doing it now, for the future. Maintaining cutting-edge emission control technologies. We promote a culture of continuous improvement. And we're not stopping there. Progressive, smarter, better, strategically reducing our environmental impact. Transparently sharing information on our way to casting a sustainable future. A journey to net zero emissions. Reducing our carbon footprint and yours. We are the supplier of choice, the sustainable choice. Offering Waupaca Green Castings for Scope 3 GHG emissions reduction. One more reason we deliver peace of mind. Discover the power of true capacity with everything you need to outperform from the leader in sustainability. We are Waupaca Foundry.